We spent the last 4 years traveling around the world.
When we came back to the U.S., we renovated a 21-foot travel trailer.
We've been living full-time in it with our dog Missoula and cat Tulsa ever since.
We're always up for an adventure. Let's see where this one takes us. Good morning!
It's black fly season here in Maine.
So they're probably all over the camera.
But we are actually at our permanent spot throughout our entire stay here in Maine.
Yep, we'll be here until October. So we've got it set up, ready to go, and to live in.
As we've mentioned in previous videos, this is where we are going to be campground hosts, where Jessica will be working in reservations, and I am a maintenance guy here.
Yep. But we wanted to show you guys our little setup and our new spot, and even take you guys down to the lake because we're right near one in walking distance. So let's check it out. These flies, they're awful. So with our site, it is actually supposed to be facing the other way, hence why our sewage and hoses are on the front side of our trailer. However, if we would have pointed the trailer here, we'd be viewing other RVs, but facing us this way gives us the chance to look at the trees instead and kind of have our own little private space. So we hooked our hoses up underneath instead. Alright, so now that we've showed you our spot, we're going to go out today because it's beautiful and we want to take advantage of this nice weather, and we're going to go see Fort Knox. It's a fort in Maine, not Kentucky, and we're going to go grab some food first, so we'll see you there. Alright, so we are stopping for lunch first at Crosby's Drive-In, and it is a takeout location, and as you can see, it's super busy, but fingers crossed that it's not cash only, and also hoping to get a lobster roll. Look who's got our food! So excited! Alright, so I got a crab meat roll because I'm a little cheap and a lobster roll right now is just too expensive for my budget. Dare, however, got the
clam roll. See, even got clam bellies and everything fried up and ready to go.
Yum. Alright, first bite is clam sandwich.
I don't even know where to start.
Clam roll, I'm sorry. That's a big bite.
With napkins?
Yes.
Where are they?
In the bag. Alright, how'd it taste?
So, it is delicious. Super good, not covered in tartar sauce, and it's just fried clams, but they taste so much better in a hot dog bun.
Alright, so basically, the crab meat roll just kind of looks like it's like a crab salad. So, it still has mayo and everything like a lobster roll. It actually tastes really good. It tastes like crab salad, honestly.
Delicious. 2 videos ago, you may have recalled seeing this bridge right over the Penobscot River. Well, turns out the town of Bucksport is actually only like 30 minutes away from where we're actually work camping in Ellsworth. So we took a little day trip today and we're gonna go up in the bridge.
Yeah, there's a observatory elevator that brings you up there so that you can view the river.
And also, it's part of the historic Fort Knox. Not the one you're thinking of, the one in Maine.
We're gonna go there afterwards. So let's go hit the observatory.
Okay.
at the top of the observatory, looking over the Penobscot River, and we got a super clear day.
33 miles of viewing pleasure.
And this is the bridge, by the way, that we are currently on. This is the other whole tall part holding the bridge up, but they don't have an observatory.
So if you look here, you can see Cadillac Mountain right over in this area at Acadia National Park.
And we are taller than Cadillac Mountain right now.
No, we're not.
Never mind. We are not. Alright, so we could probably spend forever up here, but we're going to head down to Fort Knox, which is right over here. So let's go check it out. Guys, I can't help but ever think that Paul RVer looks like a exact image of Jack Black.
I think she's trying.
So Fort Knox here in Maine was actually built because there was two different attacks here on the Penobscot River. So during the Revolutionary War, Paul RVer also spoke about the disaster on the Penobscot and the large loss of ships that the U.S. happened to experience. During the War of 1812, we also experienced a lot of attacks here on the Penobscot River. So it wasn't until 1840 where they actually approved the budget to build a fort here in Maine. They didn't actually start building, however, until the 1860s. By that time, the demand for a fort on the Penobscot River was super low. So this fort actually never even saw action. They call this two-step alley, and it surrounds the entire fort with these tiny little windows for you to shoot at the enemy if you're overrun.
And overall, it's pretty creepy.
Yeah.
So the alley ended up taking us here. Oh, honestly, we don't know where we are at this point, but the place isn't very big. Just not sure if we're supposed to be here. Clearly it's something, I'm not sure what these rooms were, but there's fireplaces, so. Oh, there we go. Officers' quarters. So way nicer than the barracks. All right, we found the display for the officers' quarters, and I guess this is what it would have looked like. We're just having a discussion about how this isn't that great, but at least it's better than the barracks, and Darren really likes these chairs. He wants to rebuild them.
I'm about to.
We're not going to. Those do not look comfortable.
Jessica, with the way lumber prices are nowadays, this is royalty.
Okay.
This is what royalty sits in.
Okay. Alright, so here we found the official enlisted men's quarters. We were wrong about the original ones. Wouldn't say I'd be very comfortable in here.
At least there's windows.
That is true. Alright, it took a little bit. We got a little lost in there, but we found our way out on the complete opposite end of the fort.
We don't know where we are.
But it was actually really cool and definitely worth checking by. We've been to the one in St. Augustine, and it was honestly better, I personally think. So there's a lot to explore. So check out Fort Knox if you're in the area. Definitely worth stopping by.
On Maine.
Yeah, Maine. Hey, give me the ball. Come here. Okay. Denied. Alright, so now we're going to take you guys down to the lake. We've got Missoula with us. It's a beautiful evening to take a little walk to the water. See the geese, Missoula? What's that? What? Missoula's trying to catch all the black flies. Get him. Get him, Missoula. Just one. Alright, right over there. Off in the distance is good old Canada.
Oh, it's so slippery!
Don't fall, please!
I can't get up there!